Today is August 23rd, 2024. It's a hot Friday. You have a 580 Super N, 4-wheel drive, extendahoe, case backhoe. It's going to be the cleanest used one owner machine that you'll find, in perfect condition, close to perfect condition. The price on this machine is $95,000. That's the total price. $95,000, and it's yours. You take it. It's ready to work today. Let me give you a tour of the machine. We'll start from the front here. Buckets in good condition except for paint. I use this machine to install septic systems. I'm the only operator of this machine. I'm the original owner. Never been rented out. It's never been leased out. I put every scratch on this machine from day one. But like I said, I try to keep it in perfect condition, except for, of course, the buckets that are going to touch materials. So the nuts in the front, I took those off, put some anti-seize on them so I won't have trouble changing that cutting edge in the future. It's got plumbing for any attachments you want to add to the front. All the bushings are all in perfect condition. I have 4 brand new hoses I bought just to have them. It'll come with the machine. 4 brand new hoses. Tires are in excellent shape, both sides. Minor wear and tear. Other than that, in perfect condition. Clean machine. San Antonio, Texas. No snow, no rust. I just detailed the machine myself. It's got one door on the left side. All the lights work. Everything's in great, excellent shape. I run the pads down. I operate it with the pads down, not the metal side. You can flip them. All the bushings are in excellent shape. I'll show you in a little bit. I'll start the machine up and put some weight on this temple here area, the bushings. That way you can see it doesn't have any play in it anywhere. All the cylinders are in great shape. Clean machine. Extendahoe. It's got a 2-foot bucket on it right now. I have a 3-foot bucket also available. It'll come with the machine. Same for the right side of the machine. Tires are in excellent shape. Little wear and tear here and there. It's not all bent up or anything, just little scratches, here. Exhaust in perfect condition. Got the radio antenna. Front windshield, everything's working. Windshield wipers work perfect. Front and rear. The hood straight, perfect condition. The engine compartment, so as far as the engine, everything's working in perfect condition. Like I said, I don't like to wash the engine area because of all the electrical components. All I use is compressed air to clean, especially around all the pulleys. That's all in great shape. Hood's in great shape. Tires. No surprises with this machine. Hood's in perfect condition. The grill, it's not all smashed up or anything. See if you can see the roof. $13.36 on the hours. Upgraded Rockford Falls Gate speakers. Like I said, this machine's in perfect condition. Has the original cardboard that it came with. That's just how clean I keep my machine. AC's all. I just did the maintenance on the AC, cleaned all the filters, cabin filters. It's got the automatic shift transmission, the power shift S type. Got the comfort steer, windshield wiper fluid. It's got the your front lights, hazards, the auto for the, and it has a fuel saver. I don't ever use that. The automatic for your transmission. Everything's in great condition. Let's start it up. No smoke. I'm going to put pressure on the temple, the main boom, up. I'll do it again. There you go. Everything's in perfect condition. Let me get you the VIN number. Let me get you the VIN number right quick. There it is. Close the hood on this bad boy. There you go. Email me, let me know. It's available. San Antonio, Texas, 78264. On the south side of San Antonio. $95,000 total price. Thank you for watching.